Assalamu alaikum. Hello, food lovers. How are you doing today? I hope everything's going well for you. Do you notice any differences? On our channel? Yes, we have changed the name and logo of our YouTube channel. So let's get started. I am going to make Bahrain chicken curry today. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, curry leaves, cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 2 tomatoes, 3 onions, green pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste. First, we need to make a paste of onion, tomato, green peppers, ginger, and garlic. It's completely ground like a paste. I cut the chicken into 4 pieces. The season with salt, cumin powder, garam masala, and yogurt. And thoroughly combine them. Set aside for 20 minutes to marinate. Heat the oil in a large pan. Then add the curry leaves, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and cloves. Sauté the paste properly until the gold color. Then add all of the chicken and mix well. I am not going to add any water because the chicken will expel it, so it will be fine. If you need more gravy, simply add more water. Set the cooker to low heat and cover the pot for 15 to 20 minutes. Look at how delicious our chicken curry turned out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.